Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video, I am going to tell the part 2 of the award related video. So friends, you are requested to watch this video carefully so that you do not miss any question in any upcoming exam. So friends, let's start the video. Your first question is, who has been honored with the International Kannada Ratna Award 2022? Answer is option B, YKC Wadiyar. Which state has won the Nutritious Grain Award 2022 for promoting millet cultivation? Answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Which woman journalist has won the Pulitzer Prize 2022 in the category of explanatory reporting and commentary? Answer is option D, Fahmida Azim. Which Indian national park has won the second annual International Ranger Awards 2022? Answer is option C, Orang National Park and Tiger Reserve. Who has been awarded the first prize in the category of the best state in the National Water Awards 2022? Answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Who received the Film of the Year award the Dada Sahab Phalke International Film Festival Awards 2022? Answer is option B, Pushpa Rise. Which Indian literature has been awarded the prestigious 31st Saraswati Samman 2021 for the poem मैं तो यहाँ हूँ? Answer is option B, Ramdas Misra. How many children have been honored with the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puruskar 2022? Answer is option A, 29. Who has been given the Best Actor Award in IFA 2022? Answer is option D, Vicky Kaushal. Who has won the title of Miss Earth India 2022? Answer is option B, Vanshika Parmar. Which literature will be given the Sahitya Akademi Yuva Puruskar 2022 for his Hindi novel Prameya? Answer is option A, Bhagwant Anmol. Who has won the Best Drama Series Award at the 74th Primetime Emmy Awards? Answer is option D, Succession. Who has been honored with the Abel Prize 2022? Answer is option A, Dennis Parnell Sullivan. Which Indian startup providing simple agriculture solutions has received the prestigious EarthShot Award 2022? Friends, if you like the video, then you must subscribe to our YouTube channel. Answer is option C, Khyati. Who has been awarded the JCB Literary Award 2022 for the novel The Paradise of Food? Answer is option D, Khalid Javed. Who has been honored with the Assam Vaibhav Puruskar 2022 by the government of Assam? Answer is option B, Ratan Tata. Which Indian institute has won the Oscars of Education 2022? Wharton QS Reimagine Education Award 2022? Answer is option A, IIT Madras. Who has won the United Nations Refugee Nelson Prize 2022? Answer is option A, Angela Merkel. Who has been awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics 2022? Answer is option D, all of the above. John F. Clauser from USA, Anton Jellinger from Austria, Alain Aspect from France. Who has been awarded the Ramanujan Prize 2021 for Young Mathematicians? Answer is option A, Neena Gupta. Which Indian photographers have been honored with the Pulitzer Prize 2022? Answer is option T, all of the above. Amit Dave, Sana Irsad Mattu and Adnan Abidi. Which Indian photographer has been posthumously awarded the Pulitzer Prize 2022? Answer is option A, Danish Siddiqui. Which state has won the prestigious Scotch Award 2022 for Lakshmi Bhandar Yojana? Answer is option B, West Bengal. Which author has won the Booker Prize 2022? Answer is option C, Shehan Karuna Tilak. Which Indian has been awarded with Singapore's prestigious Merit Seva Medal 2022? Answer is option C, Sunil Lamba. Which Indian woman scientist has been conferred with France's highest civilian award, Knight of the Legion of Honor? Answer is option A, Dr. Swati Piramal. Who will be honored with the 31st G.D. Birla Award 2021 for excellence in scientific research? Answer is option D, Narayana Pradhan. Who has been honored with the United Nations highest environmental award, Champions of the Earth 2022? Answer is option D, Purnima Devi Burman. Who has been awarded the Nirmala Deshpande Memorial World Peace Prize 2022? Answer is option B, Tej Kaul. Who will be honored with India's highest sports honor, Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award 2022? Answer is Sarath Kamal Achanta Table Tennis. Who has been honored with India's first Dr. Rajendra Prasad Award 2022 by Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar? Answer is option A, Professor Ramesh Arora. Who has won the prestigious Armed Ramanujan Award 2022? Answer is option C, Yung King Tang, China. Which airport in India has been awarded the best airport in the Asia Pacific region for the 4th year in a row? Answer is option A, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Which city has been declared India's cleanest city for the 6th time in a row in the Swachh Sarvekshan Awards 2022? Answer is option C, Indore from Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian will be conferred with France's highest civilian honor, Chevalier de la Légion d'Honneur 2022? Answer is option B, Shashi Tharoor. Which Hindi writer has been honored with the 31st Vyas Samman 2021 for his play Mahabali? Answer is option C, Asghar Wajahat. Who has won the Global Energy Prize 2022? Answer is option A, Kaushik Raj Shekhar. Who has won the prestigious O. Henry Award 2022? Answer is option B, Amar Mitra. Who has been honored with the India's highest literary award, 57th Jnanpith Award 2021? Answer is option D, Damodar Maujo. Who has been honored with the Ramnath Goenka Award 2022? Answer is option C, Jisan A. Latif. Who will be honored with the 64th Raymond Magsaysay Award 2022? Answer is option E, all of the above. Gary Benchengi, Bernadette Madrid, Tadashi Hattori, Sothiara Chim. Which film has won the Best Film Award at the 67th Filmfare Awards? Answer is option A, Shershah. Who has been honored with Kerala's highest film award, J.C. Daniel Award 2022? Answer is option C, K.P. Kumaran, Malayalam film producer. Who has won the title of Miss World 2021? Answer is option B, Karolina Białowska from Poland.